Okay, so I've installed a set of factory style accessory flashers in the wagon. I installed it a little different than the normal Chevelle installation, which has the flasher switch mounted vertically. I mounted it horizontally just because I thought it looked nicer, but it is Chevy and Chevy reproduction parts. So you pull the knob out, it begins to flash. You get flashing there, and of course get the turn signals to flash, and of course tail lights flash. Sorry, it's kind of cramped in here, but anyway, I thought the install went pretty well. The light bulb's a little dim in the knob, but I suppose that was intentional to keep from melting the knob since it's just plastic. I plan to install a LED bulb in the flasher knob, so that'll keep the heat down and probably make it a little brighter too. But anyway, that's it.